We're here again at the Indonesia International Geothermal Convention and Exhibition. We are at the booth of Vallourec. François, can you please introduce yourself quickly and Vallourec?
Okay, so I'm François Penven. I'm in charge of marketing and development for geothermal solutions at Vallourec. And Vallourec is a leader in manufacturing of premium seamless steel pipes. And we have a specific connection design that allows the pipe to be connected together in the wells.
Okay, so can you tell us a little bit about this connector? What is special about it, and how does it help the geothermal industry grow or evolve?
Yeah, so the VAM connections have been on the market over the last 6 years. It has supported the oil and gas fields, different types of fields, of challenges, again, over the last 6 years. And but for oil and gas, VAM connections were rated up to 180 degrees Celsius across the whole product lines. And what has changed for geothermal is that we have tested specifically for geothermal, meaning for higher temperature. This means up to 350 degrees Celsius. So the VAM 21 is rated up to 350 degrees Celsius to support the geothermal fields across the world right now.
Okay, let's move over to the other one. So can you tell us about this?
Okay, so this is a solution that we call Thermocase VIT, vacuum insulated tubing. So basically it's a pipe-in-pipe system that allow to develop advanced geothermal system, or so-called closed loop system. So this type of tubulars allow to prevent heat loss between the internal of the pipe and the external for single well closed loop system. In between the two pipes we have some vacuum. So basically it works like a thermal bottle when you put your coffee in the morning, and but the bottle obviously is a bit longer.
Okay, so it's the single well closed loop system. Is it a solution that you propose for, say, existing wells that are deemed non-commercial?
So this solution can be implemented in various type of fields. So either in hot dry rock fields where there is no porosity in the well, so there is heat downhole but no fluids or no porosity, that allow traditional conventional geothermal to work as here in Indonesia, for example. But in this case we use fluid that circulate in a closed loop, and the idea is that we go deep enough to reach high temperature and the fluid gets heated as it goes down, and we have to bring it up at the surface without losing any temperature. And this solution is used for such development. Also can be used in depleted oil and gas wells that can be converted into geothermal wells.
To go back to the connector,
Yeah.
Are there plans to upgrade it further for higher temperatures?
Yes. So of course we see more and more projects across the world where operators want to operate at a higher temperature. It's the case for hot dry rock, for example, in the US, but also in other parts of the world. And the challenge is to have equipments, pipes, materials, connections that sustain higher temperature. Higher means 450 degrees Celsius. So we have to test these equipments to higher temperature. And Vallourec is already working on that.
Okay, now I'd like to go specifically in the Indonesian market. So can you tell us a little about the presence of Vallourec in Indonesia? Which projects have you been active on, and what do you have local facilities?
So Vallourec is present in Indonesia since many years. First with our facility, manufacturing plants located in Batam, where we can heat treat the pipes, as well as threading, machining the connections on the pipe. We also have a sales and service office which is based in Jakarta, here in Jakarta, to support our customers. And we support most of the geothermal operators in Indonesia.
Indonesia is a fairly mature market for geothermal, and now they're looking into higher temperature resources. They're looking into binary power plant generation. So how is Vallourec supporting these kinds of growth initiatives?
So they have huge ambition to go from 2.4 gigawatt to up to 10 gigawatts within the next 10 years. For that, they need suppliers, partners that can support them in terms of product, solution, and also services. And Vallourec is committed to be part of this journey.